Hi guys, it's William. Today I make panna cotta. First step, I have to wash my hand and clean after finish. After it, you have to clean your hand. First of all, you're making panna cotta, you're gonna add 150 grams of milk and 150 grams of whipping cream. After it, you add 60 grams of sugar. Add to the mixture of milk and whipping cream. If you want to be more rich, you can add some cheese to the mixture of the panna cotta. If you want to be more rich, you can add more than 2. So heat on the stove. When it's getting a little hot, turn it up and let it there just for a second until it's getting all done. You use 8 grams of gelatin. Add some warm water to the gelatin and then you mix it until it's smooth. Put the gelatin to the milk and then you mix it until it's getting perfectly. You add the milk and you pour it using like a spoon or something. Then you pour like the milk to the cups, a small cups, so it could be a good decoration for the panna cotta. You put the panna cotta in the fridge and let it freeze for at least 4 hours. After it's on freeze, you can decorate it with some passion fruit or maybe some fruit like strawberry, blueberry or whatever. Thank you so much for watching.